How's it going, everyone? I'm going to quickly do the thermostat and O-ring on the Pulsar, as well as just dropping the water and putting coolant in it. We'll be running it for a bit, but not for, not too much, because it does still have the rod knock. Very minor, but rod knock nonetheless. But we just want to get a few things done so I can pass rego and then do all the work to it. So we're going to do that right now. Let all that out. May as well take the hose completely off. This car is not great to really work on. Everything's very crowded and narrow and put close together. It's a bit of a pain, but yeah, get there in the end. Right. I'm hoping to do this quickly before it gets dark. Yeah. Okay. Put this off. They were not very tight. In fact, almost quite loose. Here, well, I'm gonna just adjust you guys a little bit. There you go. See a little bit better. That's one. There. Yeah, don't want to lose that. And last one. Alright. Yeah. Just gotta crack it. Oh, there we go. Now this has what appears to be gasket goo around it. So I was told there was no gasket, and I was given, a little bit more that come out, I was given an O-ring to use. And this is really coppery, if you can see that. I'm not sure if that's meant to be that, or that's just rust or what, although it's not coming off. But we got the new one. Looks the same, but just different color. Yeah, no, it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be like that. Wouldn't mind ripping that off. A bit more. Yeah, it is kind of brown in here. Again, I don't really see an O-ring of any kind in here. It's a bit hard to tell if it was meant to have one, and whoever's done it last has just gooed it up, or if we're meant to goo it up and I was told the wrong thing, which happens, no one's perfect, but make mistakes, it's all good. Just clean all this old shit off. Just want to try. It didn't cost much anyway, so not a big deal if it's wrong and I gotta use goo. This O-ring, out here. Wondering, maybe it sits. Okay, seems like it sits on the outer rim of the thermostat, like that. if that were to, I still want to clean it up a bit more before putting it in, but as a test fit, no, yes, where did I put the housing? I don't know how much I trust that. It's just, yeah, I don't know if I like that, like at all. So we may just use some goo, dry it up, put some goo, and then we'll come back tomorrow and fill it up. Because, yeah, I don't know, it just doesn't fit there really. If we take that off, put that down there. And I don't believe it was leaking from there at all, really. Yeah, that sits in the gap. I think I'm meant to use goo. I don't think it's meant to have an O-ring. So it was a bit of a waste of time on my part with the O-ring purchase, but it's just an O-ring, it's fine. Probably find another use for it, something else. So I'm gonna go clean all this off. All right, that's all relatively clean. I think that'll hold up enough. We're gonna stick this in. Mozzie's coming out now. And hopefully if that stays in, we'll just dry up a little bit more here. Not too fussed about that. Don't need more of that. Just don't want to be wet when we put new goo on. So that should be fine. Yeah, that's going to seal it. Alright, chuck that one away. Alright, I'm just going to use some Ultra Grey. Mosquitoes are really starting to bite, so you're gonna have to make this quick. Bit hard to do at this angle. A little bit on there, but not that big a deal. A little bit more. Wipe some of it off. Yeah. Let's get the housing now. Definitely getting bitten. Get the housing on and put the bolts through. We'll do it up and leave it for tomorrow. Hopefully it's going to be enough to seal it. Should be fine. I'll do that up quickly. This is why I do not like, working outside. Alright, that'll be it for now.